Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Kamusta kayo? Narito ang isang bahagi o segment ng ating aralin sa Conversational Tagalog 1. At ito naman ang inyong instruktor, Rafael Pulmano. In this tutorial, you will learn about introducing yourself. Previously, we learned how to ask and answer saan questions. Saan ka galing? Saan kayo galing? Saan pupunta si Ramon? Saan galing ang kabayo? Saan galing ang iPhone mo? Saan galing ang babae? Saan galing ang kwintas? Saan galing ang kwintas mo? Ang kwintas mo means your necklace. Pangalan means name. If we replace kwintas with pangalan, then we have ang pangalan mo or your name. Suppose your name is Ann. By adding Ann before the particle ang, then the sentence becomes Ann ang pangalan mo or Ann is your name. Now let us say my name is Tom. How do you say Tom is my name? Replace Ann with Tom. Now the sentence reads, Tom ang pangalan mo or your name is Tom. But Tom is not your name. It is my name. So replace mo or your with ko, meaning my, and now it reads, Tom ang pangalan ko. My name is Tom. Giving your name is one way to introduce yourself to someone. Tom ang pangalan ko. Simply replace the name Tom with your own name and you can use this pattern to introduce yourself in Tagalog to anyone who understands the language. When you meet a person for the first time, you may start a conversation with, Magandang umaga, good morning, Kumusta ka? How are you? Tom ang pangalan ko. My name is Tom. After introducing yourself, if you want to know the other person's name, then you ask, What is your name? What in Tagalog is ano. In your self-introduction, Tom ang pangalan ko, simply replace Tom with ano. The result is ano ang pangalan ko. This means, what is my name? Now replace the pronoun ko or my with mo or your and say instead, ano ang pangalan mo? What is your name? Magandang umaga, kumusta ka? Tom ang pangalan ko. Ano ang pangalan mo? Let us now review some useful vocabulary. Ano, what, ko, my, mo, your, pangalan, name, mabuti, fine, ikaw, you, kumusta ka, how are you? Kumusta came from the Spanish words como está. Como means how, está is a verb to be. Together, como está literally means how is or how are, but is used as a greeting similar to our kumusta. Como está? How are you? Instead of Tom ang pangalan ko, you may also introduce yourself as follows. Ako si Tom. I am Tom. Or, si Tom ako. Literally translated, Tom is me, but grammatically, I am Tom. By this time, you should be able to introduce yourself. In the next tutorial, you will learn how to introduce your friend. This is the end of this segment. Please proceed to the next. Salamat!